seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I try to keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my almost feel it a smile. Still wanna try to believe in good days. Always inside, to this in my mind. Help me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you live. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, do it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep from losing the rest of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're doing a productive morning routine. I have my to-do list in my phone and written down, so we're not skipping anything today. For the to-do list for today, I'm going to the gym first, then the grocery store, coming back home, making breakfast, opening PR with you, and then showing you a little BTS of me working. Before we head out to the gym, I want to show you what's in my bag. I got this bag from my fiance on Christmas. It's from the brand 30 Years. I've been wanting this bag for so long, and I just love the color of it and how it just fits my everyday vibe. I have some Bath & Body Works body spray. Let me know in the comments if you wear body spray or perfume to the gym. I like to wear body spray because it's casual, but I don't know, like, should I be wearing perfume? Because I have some people walk past me in the gym and they be smelling so good, and I'm just like, that cannot be body spray. I have some lotion because I am not about to be walking around ashy. I have like 6, 7 different lip glosses, and I don't know, I just feel like I need a different one for every vibe and mood that I'm in. And these are different shades too, so you never know, I might want to switch it up or combine them and make a little combo. This is something I feel like every gym girlie needs. It's hyaluronic acid. It gets rid of bacteria on the skin that's caused from sweating, so this really helps prevent breakouts. This is a must-have. For gym equipment, I have my ankle straps, but I left those in the car, and then I have my Smith machine cushion. I really wish I got a different color because I always get this mixed up with the ones they have in the gym that literally look identical to this one. So that's everything that's in my bag. Let's head out and go to the gym. I made it to the gym. I don't know how I'm feeling about going in there and filming for the first time. I'm usually never shy in the gym, which is weird because I'm shy everywhere else, but we'll see how this goes. And today, of course, I'm doing leg and glute day. I have some new exercises that I've been doing that I've really been loving. I feel the burn in my glutes, and it burns so good, if you know what I mean. If we're gonna build that shelf by the summer, we need to stay in the gym. So I've been going about 3 to 4 times a week. So this is going to be my second time going this week, and I've been really consistent, so I'm proud of myself. I finished my gym session and there were like a few issues, but overall like it was a good workout. But like the Smith machine I was on was not my favorite one. For some reason the weights always feel like 10 times heavier. I have no clue why. I also am having a problem finding like the leg machines. I never see anyone on them and I really don't even know if my gym has them. I think next time I should just ask where they are, because like there's no way they don't have any leg machines. I love this blue workout set, but unfortunately like wearing light colors makes you see like every freaking piece of sweat on my body, so it looks like I peed on myself. Do you wear light colored clothes to the gym? I like a little light set for the spring and the summer, but like I hate looking like I peed on myself. I don't know what to do, but I think I should just accept that I'm gonna be looking like I peed on myself. I don't know why, but I'm in a mood for Lil Wayne, so I'm gonna play him on the way to the grocery store. I low-key hate running errands after the gym because I'm a little musty, so hopefully nobody passes out today.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my heart uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened.
Fridge is fully stocked. I did do a pickup order on top of shopping in store myself. Doing pickup orders is kind of lazy, but I don't care because it's free. I'm about to put you on to the low calorie snacks that I got in the store. I got this Tajin, I think that's how you say it, Tajin seasoning, and I'm gonna put it on my cucumbers. I seen this combo all over Pinterest, so I wanna try it. This bottle is so freaking big. I did ask an employee if there's a smaller size and they said no, so hopefully I like this. Peanut butter and apples, literally just the top tier combo. It literally does not get better than this. I was freaking looking for my Skinny Pop and I don't like the regular Skinny Pop. I like the white cheddar one. Unfortunately, they did not have it, so I had to get the Simply Cheeto Puffs. They're really good. These are just higher in calorie. This is only 80 calories per package and this is like 160. I had to get something that's like a regular snack because I'm not about to be snacking on like apples and cucumbers all day. Like, I'm not that type of chick. I am literally starving right now, so I'm gonna put you on to my current breakfast hyperfixation. It's a peanut butter banana yogurt bowl. I post this a lot on my Instagram stories and people always hit me up asking what it is and what the recipe is. So I'm about to give it to you right now, girl. When I come home from the gym, I don't even sit down because I feel so freaking dirty and I don't want to contaminate the furniture. I only sit on like desk chairs or whatever. So let's take a shower so I can sit my ass down. I'm literally rushing because I have like 30 minutes to do my makeup for a meeting. So let's get into this. So if you don't know, I've been creating content for 3 years now consistently. And I'm at that point where I really could use a manager. This would be management for content creation, which would help me get brand deals, negotiate contracts, and handle all of that business stuff. I'm not terrible at handling the business side, but I just know I'm not the best at it because I'm trying to create and edit. So that takes up a lot of my time. So in my head, it's like a work smarter, not harder thing. Like I would like to just get someone that can help me with that side of things so I can focus more into pouring into my craft. I feel like a lot of people don't know how much work really goes into creating content. It literally is a lot. And by the way, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Skin Tint for the first time. And I see what the hype is about. For being a content creator, you have to be your own producer, your own editor, and your own manager. And it really is a lot. So if I can get a help with anything, I'm gonna get the help. I'm not trying to brag or nothing, but your girl is wanted. Like I have a few management companies hitting me up that wanna work with me. I am willing to work with people, but it's just so hard finding the right manager. And I recently had to drop the management I was working with because we just didn't align. Literally feel like I'm dating right now trying to find a manager because it is so hard to find a good manager. I used to see content creators complaining about this and I used to be like, girl, it cannot be that hard, and it is. After this, we're gonna open some PR together and I'm so freaking excited. I've been holding on to these just for you so we can open it together. The outside packaging on these PR packages are always like very bland and there is no label describing what's in it. So I'm gonna be just as surprised as you guys as to what's inside of there. But I know it's gonna be some good stuff though, because usually it is. A lot of them do not tell you what it's from, but I have one package that does give a little hint. It says Real Techniques on it. I just got on Real Techniques PR list, which is crazy. And that is the one package that does have a little hint on it because it does tell you it's from Real Techniques. Really curious as to what's in there. Obviously brushes, but like what brushes though? I love me a good makeup brush. Let me know in the comments what your favorite makeup brush brand is. I don't know if I have a favorite, but I would say BK Beauty is definitely top of the list. Yeah, they're very, very freaking expensive, but the quality is top tier. Okay, we're all set for the meeting. I just wanted something light, natural, and cutesy, and this eats down. I love it so much. Thank you for sending that over. I really appreciate it. There's been times where there's like 1 or 2 revisions on like the text or something, or they want me to add like closed captions, which is like pretty small stuff.
Okay, so that's good to know. So, yeah, so it just really depends on like what we have going on.
Okay, it's time to get into this PR haul. And by the way, the meeting did go really well. We'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna start off with the smaller packages. So, okay. Wow, that's actually really cool. I did collab with Maybelline on their Cloudtopia blush. Let me go get their blush. Like, it is so cool. Okay, this is the blush that I had a collab with Maybelline. And it's a really good brush. So I cannot wait to try these together. Next package is another small little package. So let's see what it is. I can't tell where it's from the box. Like, they don't even have my name on here correctly. Oh my freaking gosh! Charlotte Tilbury's new concealer. Patrick Ta and Charlotte Tilbury came out with the concealer around the same time. And I wanted to try both, but I heard that the Charlotte one is better. I don't know, that's what I've been hearing, so I cannot wait to try this. And then they gave me some of their setting spray, so yes, I cannot wait to try this. This is their new Airbrush Flawless Concealer. It has full coverage with elastic stretch, 24-hour creaseless wear, light is air, and advanced skincare. Like, let's see if this shade is right though, because I'm scared. Like, this better be my shade. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking dark. And this one is darker, so I already know this isn't gonna be my shade either. This is so heartbreaking. Like, Before I show you guys the bigger boxes, I did want to show you some of my new road goodies. I got 2 of their peptide lip treatments, and then I got their blush in the shade Candy Apple. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. I used to be scared of red blush, but man, I was missing out. If you have not tried red blush yet, make sure you try this, girl, because it'll change your life. This box says it's from L'Oreal, but L'Oreal owns everything, so that doesn't really tell me what's in the box. Okay, it's just a big purple box, nothing on it. So still don't know what's in here. We got a package from Valentino Beauty. No way. Let's see what's in here. Okay, there's a key inside. If I had a gun, I would put my gun in here. Maybe. So let's unlock it. What? Gave me? Okay, got it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I think they gave a gift to my fiance. What? They gave me a set of markers. I wonder why, but I really like to draw, so I'm definitely gonna be using these markers. It smells like plum and vanilla, and it's the perfect scent. It smells so freaking fresh. I just love it so much. Like, I'm truly wondering if I should wear this during the day or at night. I feel like maybe I would probably do both. Like, it's so freaking fresh, but that vanilla scent does bring like an edgy date night vibe. Smells so freaking good. And I think this one would be for my man. It's okay, but I'll have to see what my fiance feels about it, because this is definitely gonna be for him. This is the last PR package, and it's the biggest one, so we'll see if bigger is better. Okay, we got a package from Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, I know they just dropped their matcha green thing, so I'm pretty sure this is it. Look how cute this bag is. It's so adorable. They sent over some hair clips. I love these light colors. As you can see, I'm wearing like a light yellow, and I love light colors during the spring. It's just such a vibe. This is their matcha milk cake setting powder. I am like not the biggest fan of Huda Beauty powders because they have fragrance in them, but they're not bad. They're not bad. They also sent over their peach pie setting powder. I never tried a peach tone setting powder. If you have, let me know in the comments if it works for you. I'm scared to try. Honestly, I'm scared to try both of these shades, but it won't hurt to see what it's like. I love their powder puffs. They are amazing quality. It just sets my powder so freaking perfectly. I used to just get my powder puffs off Amazon, but then I came across these and I'm like, okay, wow, quality really does matter when it comes to powder puffs, because I get the most flawless coverage with these. It's insane. Okay, that's it for today's video. I think we accomplished a lot today, and I love mornings like this. If you enjoyed watching this, please give this a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.